You've been told a lie about superfruits. For years, we've crowned the blueberry as the king of healthy berries, the one you grab for that antioxidant boost. But what if I told you there's a forgotten native fruit with up to 4 times the antioxidant power? A fruit that has been almost completely ignored by the food industry for decades. What if the real champion was hiding in plain sight this whole time? Today, we're going to uncover North America's mightiest fruit and the science that proves it. Let's be honest, the blueberry is a global celebrity. It's in our muffins, our smoothies, our breakfast bowls. It's the go-to symbol for healthy eating, and for good reason. Blueberries are delicious, easy to eat, and packed with beneficial compounds linked to all sorts of health benefits. We see them everywhere, and their superfood reputation is the result of decades of brilliant marketing and agricultural support. They've been bred for mass appeal, sweet, convenient, and easy to eat by the handful. We've been taught to believe that when it comes to berry royalty, the blueberry holds the crown. But that's the problem with thinking there's only one king. You stop looking for the quiet, unsung hero working behind the scenes. And in the world of berries, that hero has a name you've probably never heard, or maybe one you were taught to dislike. The chokeberry. But today, we know it by its proper name: aronia. The aronia berry, specifically the black aronia or Aronia melanocarpa, is a small, dark berry native to the wetlands and swamps of eastern North America. For centuries, this tough little shrub thrived in a region stretching from Canada down through the eastern United States. Indigenous communities knew its value. For example, the forest Potawatomi used its berries to make a tea to help with colds. It was a resilient plant, a part of the ecosystem. But when European settlers arrived, they tasted the berry, and its intensely tart, astringent flavor made their mouths pucker. They nicknamed it chokeberry, a name that basically guaranteed it wouldn't become a commercial superstar. It wasn't sweet, it wasn't easy, and as industrial agriculture began to favor sugar above all else, the aronia berry was largely forgotten in its own homeland. But the story doesn't end there. In the early 20th century, botanists in Eastern Europe recognized its incredible hardiness. They took it back with them, cultivated it, and turned it into a major crop. In a wild twist of irony, it's often cited that Poland now produces the vast majority of the world's commercial aronia. North America's native superfruit had to leave home to finally get the respect it deserved. So, is the aronia berry really that much better than the blueberry? Let's put them head to head. First up, sugar. A 100-gram serving of blueberries has about 10 grams of sugar. Aronia berries are less sweet, with some analyses showing a sugar content in a similar range. Now for fiber, which is crucial for gut health. That same serving of blueberries has about 2.4 grams of fiber. Aronia berries pack a bigger punch with over 5 grams of fiber, more than double the amount. But the real story is the antioxidant content. Antioxidants are the compounds that fight oxidative stress in our bodies, the cellular damage linked to chronic diseases and aging. The main players here are polyphenols called anthocyanins, which give these berries their deep, rich colors. In many analyses, aronia berries contain significantly more of these compounds than blueberries. For years, scientists used a lab test called the ORAC scale to measure antioxidant power. While we now know these lab numbers don't tell the whole story about what happens inside your body, the results are still staggering. Typical values for blueberries land around 4,600 on the scale. Aronia berries? Their score is over 16,000. That's more than 3 times the antioxidant capacity in a lab setting. Let me repeat that, over 16,000. Okay, so aronia has impressive numbers, but what does that mean for your actual health? The research is younger than it is for blueberries, but the findings are incredibly promising. Let's start with heart health. Some small clinical trials and meta-analyses suggest that daily supplementation with aronia berry extract may help support healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, especially in adults over 50. The powerful antioxidants appear to have a protective effect on our cardiovascular system. Next, metabolic health. For anyone concerned with blood sugar, early evidence from human and animal studies suggests that aronia may help improve insulin sensitivity. The very compounds that make it taste so astringent seem to be the ones working to help regulate our metabolic response. And what about our gut? The microbiome is a huge topic in health. While most of the evidence is still in the lab or animal study phase, it suggests that aronia's polyphenols and high fiber content can promote the growth of beneficial gut microbes. Finally, let's talk about cancer research. Now, it's really important to be careful here. Some lab and animal studies have shown that aronia extracts can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, like those from the breast, colon, and pancreas. This is fascinating, but let me be crystal clear. These findings do not prove aronia can prevent or treat cancer in humans. This is early-stage research, and aronia berry is a food, not a cure. So, if aronia is this powerful, why did it get left behind? The answer is simple: taste. Commercial agriculture is a business built on sweetness. Aronia berries are intensely tart and astringent, a quality that comes directly from their high concentration of tannins and polyphenols, the very things that make them so healthy. The nickname chokeberry was a marketing disaster, branding it as unpalatable for a consumer trained to expect fruit to taste like candy. It was simply too potent for a food system that prioritized sugar over substance. Since you probably wouldn't want to eat a whole bowl of raw aronia berries, the best way to bring them into your life is in other forms. Think of it less as a snacking fruit and more as a potent ingredient. Aronia berry juice, powders for smoothies, jams, and syrups are all fantastic ways to get the benefits without the overwhelming pucker factor. Mixing it with sweeter fruits like bananas or apples in a smoothie is a perfect move. And for any gardeners watching, aronia is a dream plant. It's incredibly hardy, tolerating a wide range of soils, including wet clay. It's cold-hardy, pest-resistant, and low-maintenance, making it perfect for organic growing right in your own backyard. The story of the aronia berry is the story of a forgotten American treasure. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful things in nature don't come in the sweetest package. While blueberries are undeniably a healthy food, the science and the numbers show that the humble, native aronia berry is a powerhouse that absolutely deserves a place in the spotlight. So, have you ever tried aronia berries? Are you willing to give North America's mightiest fruit a chance? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new today and want more deep dives into the hidden science of our food, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.